to us, it is everything. Now, you may look around you and see what appears to be like a bunch of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kimber.
Hello, Kimber.
Hello. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the farthest reaches of the galaxy for ancient artifacts. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Now what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper would see worthless clutter, to those who know, well, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Well, we caught wind of a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper just like us gatherers. What is her name?
Rey!
Yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for, and that is why you are here today, to look ahead, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now, the saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them, binding them. And today you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let us begin. And so, we begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now as we hear, red. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. And we are here for you, the future. The time has come for you to select your very own kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, please, close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Now in your mind's eye, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now builders, open your eyes and take your crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you as well. Thank you.
I think we have to go dark, don't you? I think we gotta go dark. Yeah.
Do you see colors?
Well, builders, place your kyber crystal and the green crystal holder in front of you. The time has come to join your kyber crystal with the lightsaber design you have selected. You will begin with your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and also the part that keeps your hand from being disintegrated. It's good. Now, two of you are for opponents who are selected. Review them carefully from left to right. Starting on the far left, you will find your chassis. Moving to the far right, you will find your activation plates. In the middle, your grips, pummel caps, and emitters. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey.
Right, sun shoveling. Today I'm going to help you with all this scrap metal to build your hill. We're going to start with our chassis. We're going to put the chassis on some windows right here. This is the top side of your chassis. You will not be holding it for long. Next we're going to put a kyber crystal in the middle of our chassis like so. I believe this is the, yeah, there we go. I find putting the thinner part in first and then pushing it backwards. It should sing and light up for you. Ah, excellent. Great.
Something I can't do.
If I need me to assist, I can assist. Sometimes with great power, you must need some delicate.
The force is not strong in you.
You don't have to be forced, you have to be delicate with it sometimes. We're going to continue with our activation clips. We have a pair of activation clips right here at the end, right there. And we're going to red and blue square. Red and blue square. We're going to match the red and blue squares on your chassis. Blue with blue. And red with red. Snap into place. Natural builders. This is the switch that will activate the blade. Your crystal is working. Wonderful. Your crystal is working. Wonderful. You're going to choose now two out of the 4 grips. You're going to place the thicker rings. In your case, it's the bronze one, and in your case, it's the thick silver one. So the inside facing your activation points. One at the top, one at the bottom. It is your choice. Trust your instincts. Your heart knows what it wants. The other way around. Yeah, no. You were doing it right, just the other end, yeah. That is correct. Would you like me to tighten it for you?
There we go. I apparently don't pay attention to the directions. Yeah.
Wonderful. We're going to continue with our pommel claps. Have you tightened your grips? Backwards.
See, I don't pay attention. Yeah.
No, it's fine. I don't either.
Okay, good.
So we're going to tighten them for you. Let me tighten them for you. Tighten that one for me.
There we go.
There we go. Now we're going to continue with our pommel clap. You can put that at the end.
I like that. I'm going to guess this goes like this.
That might be the bottom one.
This is why Ricky doesn't build lightsabers. Uh-oh.
Oh, I can help you with that. Oh, it is fine. There we go. And then we're going to continue with our emitters. We're going to put your emitters on the top.
There we go.
And a light pressure.
Do you like it?
Looks beautiful.
Looks good. This is seriously heavy duty. Like, feel that? Yeah. This is. Yeah. This is intense. Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I'm ready to choose the emitter and a pommel. Just put your goal on the top and what's your goal on the bottom.
Is it good use? It's gorgeous. I like it.
So this is your top and the other one's
There we go.
one of these on the top, one of these on the bottom.
It's awesome, right?
It's really cool. Yours is awesome. I like it.
And once you're satisfied with your crystal, place them on your hill.
Beautiful, may I?
You may, yes.
I do have to ask. There is a bond between saber and building. Stunning building. And your name?
It's Ricky.
Ricky. Ricky.
Yes. Yes.
A beautiful building.
Thank you so much.
Wow. What a balance. It is all the way.
Yeah.
It does.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
yeah? What's your name? Wow.
This is breathtaking.
I mean, see, I love the strong lines. And also, the accents. It gives way to illustrating the curving and giving way to nature.
Okay, maybe let me know when it's ready to activate, okay? This one.
Thank you.
Are you all set?
Now, don't forget that within to make sure that the power and if you go too far to either side,
Great choice.
that could be detrimental. But you know that. I don't have to. Yes, you are aware. Hey! Yes, I loved it a lot. May I ask, what color kyber crystal flashes is it? Now I see you have some tilts that are reminiscent of the old republic. I see you have some ancient script on your hilt. Do you know what this ancient script reads? No idea. Well, I don't either. I was hoping you
Just trust in the force.
Wonderfully done. Wonderfully done.
Everyone, take a minute to connect with your hilt. Whatever that means to you, you can place your hand upon it. Feel its weight. Admire its beauty. You have built this. Yes, hear it sing to you. Wonderfully done. You have all assembled some breathtaking pieces from scrap metals that we have acquired. I mean, I am quite excited. You must forgive me. It's been so long since we've seen this many sabers in one place here in the workshop. Connect with your hilt. You have each just built your hilt, and nothing catastrophic or unexpected has happened, because why would it? Which actually brings us to the most dangerous part of the process. So builders, please place your hilt in the hilt saddle at your station and take a large step back. We value the illusion of safety here in the workshop. So one step is all it takes to make you feel safe. Now the gatherers, as you can see, are stabilizing each individual kyber crystal for activation. This is a dangerous process that requires years of experience, a steady hand, and a lot of confidence. Wonderfully done. The last accident of last week is over. What's happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of a saber they are joined, much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We have reached the final stage in the process today. The bond between Saber and the builder is about to be forged. So builders, in a moment, you will step forward, put your hand on your hilt, and together, on my signal, we will activate our lightsabers together. Are you ready? Yes! Step forward. Put your hand on your hilt, and wait for it. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers. Raise them. Build a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. It's the hardest
Choose your path it cannot, but fight your way. It can. May the force be with you.
Master Yoda, thank you. Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present lightsaber sheaths as you depart today. Our time is at